tornado just came through or something. A bunch of trees and stuff just started ripping off the... Holy crap, power outages over there, sparks.
Oh my gosh. A tornado warning for the areas. Holy crap. Issued a tornado warning for... You saw the tornado? What do you mean you saw the tornado? Holy crap. Guys, you hear that? Holy crap. Guys, do you hear that? Holy crap, guys. Holy crap.
That is now from the National about this. I'm going to zoom it out just a little bit to show you the motion here for the last
Holy crap.
Even if you're as far south as Lake Odessa, a good idea to be taking cover, not only because of the potential for circulation here, circulating winds, but also for just strong winds in general as it continues to move off to the east. Looks like right now we're watching this as it moves. National Weather Service between Saranac.
Is that hail?
Right as it was crossing into parts of Ionia County. Now we're not seeing nearly that same amount of signature, that dark or the bright red and the bright green right next to each other. So that's a good sign. That is not to say the threat is over with or that we're not taking this seriously.